Okay, so this is a video showing some of the issues that you have with the bulk. So basically, water drains in here in the corners and it drains in onto your legs. Now these are two solutions I came up with. One is just put a piece of tape there. You leave a little gap in the front. And second is just tape a piece of shoestring there and it'll run down the side. So I'm going to show you how these solutions work. So the first solution I came up with was the shoestring one, and basically what happens is, spray a garden hose on there. Once the string gets wet, it basically flows the water down and away. See it run down the water, run down the shoestring there, and it runs down the side then, instead of dripping on your legs. Second solution is just put a piece of tape there, a little edge sticking up. How that one works, it basically just diverts it down the side. Just gonna simulate. See how it diverts it down the side and doesn't let it come on the inside anymore. But now the water gets too much, it does leak down the aqueduct to the inside, but at least that's not onto your legs. Another area where it was leaking at was this front hatch here. So this front hatch is not watertight. So you'll probably see the stuffer on here. So what this is called a nano tape, aka gecko tape. And basically it's a non-adhesive tape. And it has a very strong hold, but it doesn't leave behind any glues, and you can reuse it and wash it and whatnot. So I put that on there, and basically this used to just pour in down there on the bottom bracket, and now I spray it, you'll see it doesn't leak anymore. Got a little bit of a leak somewhere, but yeah, if it leaks anywhere, you just come up here, push it down a little more in the areas you think it might be leaking. This stuff's got a pretty strong hold, so it should be fine. And again, this stuff is reusable. It will get bugs stuck to it, but this is actually double-sided, so you can actually touch this side when it's wet and it's nice and slippery. But it's actually starting to rain right now, so I'm going to wrap this video up. But those are the solutions I found and the problems that were with the bulk as far as weather protection. It also leaks in through the front headlight, right here, down here. But that's on all automobiles. That's not going to get you wet. But yeah, just want to make this short video of the problems and solutions for the bulk as far as water leaking in. Thanks for watching.